Hello, my name is Nelsivana Serra Lopez and Group 23 English 2, talking about activities and plans. What are your plans for the weekend? And first, visit friends, my boyfriend, and relatives. Go out to eat in new place, watch Korean TV series and dramas. What is your what is your judge study routine? I get up at 6:30, uh, take a shower, comb my hair, put on my uniform, and take public transportation. After opening the premise, we clean, display merchandise, and serve the public. What sport do you practice? I don't play any sport. I do routine like walking and eating healthy to stay healthy. Which country would you like to travel to? Why? I would like to travel to Peru to learn about its culture and its wonder of the world Machu Picchu. Thank you. Bye.